In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Analysis Hub, now called Explore in Google Analytics 4. Explore is where you build custom reports that go beyond what you see in the standard dashboard, so it's really useful when you want deeper insights into user behavior and performance. First, let's start with how to open a new report. On the left-hand side of your Google Analytics 4 interface, look for the Explore option. It's represented by a magnifying glass icon in the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click that. This will open the Explore workspace, which is the home for all of your custom analysis. Once you're inside Explore, you'll be prompted to choose a template. The two most common starting points are the freeform template and the funnel template. Freeform is great when you want tables, charts, or a flexible layout to answer open-ended questions like which pages perform best or which cities bring in the most users. The funnel template is designed for step-by-step flows, such as tracking how people move from viewing a product to adding it to the cart and then to completing a purchase. Choose whichever template matches the type of question you want to answer. Now let's break down how building a report works inside Explore. Everything is based on a drag and drop system that uses three main columns. Understanding these will make the whole tool feel much more intuitive. On the left, you have the variables column. Think of this as your library of data. Here you can click the plus icons to add dimensions and metrics that you want to work with. Dimensions are things like city, page, or device category. Metrics are numbers like active users, conversions, or revenue. If you don't see something you need, click the plus sign, search for it, and add it to your variables so it's ready to use. In the middle, you'll see the settings column. This is where you design how your report will look by dragging items from the variables column into specific slots. For example, for a freeform table, drag city into the rows section to see a list of cities, then drag a metric like active users into the values section to show the number of active users for each city. You can also adjust filters here if you want to narrow your report to a particular country, traffic source, or device type. On the right, you'll find the canvas. This is the visual area where your report appears automatically based on whatever you set up in the middle column. As soon as you drag and drop dimensions and metrics into the settings, you'll see the table, chart, or funnel update in real time on the canvas. If something doesn't look right, just go back to the middle column and adjust your configuration. Now, let's talk about a few popular techniques. The freeform exploration is ideal for quick, flexible analysis. You can switch between tables, pie charts, and other visualizations to compare metrics like sessions, conversions, or user engagement across different dimensions. The funnel exploration is perfect when you want to understand where users drop off in a process, such as moving from viewing a product page to adding an item to the cart to completing a purchase. You define each step in the funnel, and the report shows you how many users continue and where they quit. Finally, there's pathing. Pathing explorations help you see the exact sequence of pages or events users follow. This is great for understanding common user journeys and uncovering unexpected paths, like pages people visit before they convert or before they exit your site. By using these templates and the three-column layout in Explore, you can create powerful custom reports that give you detailed insights far beyond the standard Analytics 4 dashboard.